Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my new in pieces from Walmart and Adidas. Starting with this dress. I really love this dress. It's from the No Boundaries collection at Walmart. It has stripes and it's a midi length, and so it's perfect for church or if you just want to dress up maybe for a nice lunch or dinner. And yeah, I really love the colors. I'm not sure if they're showing up that great, but it is a navy blue, it's a green and a cream. And I love the tie feature, the belt feature, as well as it has buttons from the top all the way to the bottom. And it's really versatile. That's really what attracted me to it. I'm definitely going to be wearing this to church. And again, it's good for maybe like a good dinner date, lunch date, however you want to, wherever you want to wear it, really. It's a simple dress, but it's also really chic. And I just really love it. So I paired it here with some boots that I've had for a couple years from Forever 21 and a purse. But I also saw styling this dress as a duster, just like overlaying just a casual outfit so that I can add more versatility to the way I wear this. So I paired it with just a bodysuit and a pair of my barrel leg jeans from Garage. And I have on some denim flats as well and a green purse that I just recently thrifted. The green purse actually matches the green in the dress. And yeah, I really love this dress because of how many ways you can style it. Next up is this jacket from Walmart. It's also from the No Boundaries collection. And I picked this up the first weekend of September, so that would have been the 6th. And at the time when I was in store, they had different colors in this jacket. I picked up the tan with the brown collar, but they had a black with a green collar. They had multiple different colors. So I'll definitely, try to link this jacket. So check the description box, and all of the pieces that I'm showing you will have links to either the item or similar. Hopefully they are still available. But yes, this jacket, I really liked it. Barn jackets are trending for this fall, but what I really like is what makes this one unique is that it's cropped and it does have more feminine touches, and I think that it will go with a lot in my wardrobe. I just have it paired with those same barrel leg jeans and a pair of boots. But yeah, I can see this going with multiple different outfits in my closet. It's also important to note that the pocket detailing in the front of the jacket is simply for aesthetics. There are no actual pockets on this jacket, but it does have a functional zipper. The final piece that I picked up when I went to Walmart is this denim shirt from the Sofia Vergara collection. So I actually bought another pair of denim pants from the Sofia Vergara collection that I love. They're very comfortable. And she did it again with this denim shirt. It's oversized. I got my normal size, which is a large, and that caused the length to be longer on the shirt, which I love because that means I can style it up different ways. So I pretty much just paired it with a pair of jeans that I got from Old Navy a couple of years ago and added brown accessories. I really think the denim and brown look really great together, and that combination just screams fall. And just to show the multiple ways that you can wear this shirt, I decided to add a more flirty look to the denim shirt and wanted to do more of like a cowgirl look. So I paired it with some denim shorts that I recently thrifted that are the same exact wash as the shirt. And I really love that monochromatic denim look, that Canadian tuxedo, if you will. And I just paired it with my brown boots, my fringe brown purse. And yeah, I really love how fun and flirty this look came out as well. I also did a little online shopping these past couple of weeks since we've been in September, just prepping for the fall. And I've really been wanting to get an Adidas tracksuit. And when I was Googling, Adidas tracksuits online the weekend that I was, just browsing around, they were actually having a sale on the Adidas website. And so I really lucked up and I was able to snag this jacket and pants. They are separate pieces on the Adidas website from different brands of Adidas. So the jacket has a little bit of a thicker stripe than the pants, but I'm sure no one's looking that hard. The jacket I believe I got for 22 and the pants were 35. And yeah, this is extremely comfortable. I'm not sure why I haven't had a tracksuit before, but now this is all I want to live in and I love it. I paired it with some Adidas Sambas that I already had that I got last year from Shoe Carnival, and just put on some of my oversized black frames from Amazon just for, more of an 80s vibe, because I actually am planning to wear this set to an 80s party that I'm going to next month, and I'm really excited about showing it off. Again, I will link something similar below. Not sure if they're still having a sale, but still check out their pieces because these track sets are so comfortable. I hope you enjoyed the looks from this mini fall haul. And yeah, all of these pieces, I will try to link something below, similar or same item, in the description box. And definitely, if you want to check out more fall wardrobe ideas and the way you can style them, I share a lot of my content on Instagram, which is Lauren Nicole Reigns _, as well as on TikTok, which is Lauren Nicole Reigns. They often see the items first before I do the YouTube video. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me over there on Instagram and TikTok. And I really appreciate you watching the video. Leave a comment, like the video, share it. I really want to, build the community on all my social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and stay versatile. Let life surprise you.